My name is Megan from St. Louis Public Library, and this is Megan Makes Things. Today, we're going to watch while I show you how to turn Mayflowers into an amazing craft, and listen while I describe a book that goes with it perfectly. Are you ready? Let's get started. Your first step will be to stop at any St. Louis Public Library location and pick up a take and make kit. Inside your bag, you'll find 4 bookmarks, some yarn, and some sticky contact paper. From your supplies at home, you'll want to get out some glue, some scissors, a couple paper towel sheets, and a book, and preferably a hardcover that's kind of heavy. As an optional step, you might also want to get out a hole punch and a permanent marker. Now that you've got all your supplies set out, you're ready to make your very own personalized bookmarks. Our next step is a fun one. You're going to go outside and pick some flowers. You may want to ask your grown-up to help you find some wildflowers just to make sure that you don't pull some out of someone's garden. Take a walk around your neighborhood or even go to the park. You might see some clover blossoms, dandelions, goldenrod, or even a flowering dogwood. You'll want to make sure that you pick enough flowers to fill up 4 bookmarks with all of your blossoms. Once you've found enough flowers, it's time to go back inside and get out your paper towels and your heavy book. Lay out one of your paper towel sheets. Take all of your flower blossoms and spread them out along the sheet like this. Take your other sheet and lay it out on top of it like a sandwich. Open your book, put your paper towel sandwich inside, close it, and leave it for a few days. The book will press the flowers down so that they're flat, and the paper towel will keep your book safe from any moisture. After a couple days, your flowers should be perfectly pressed. Take them out of your book. Arrange them how you'd like on your bookmarks. And then take your glue and glue them down. It doesn't matter if they're still sticking up a little bit, because we'll take care of that in our next step. Once they've been arranged how you like, all you'll have to do is let the glue dry. Once you have flowers glued to all 4 of your bookmarks, you're ready to laminate them with your contact paper. You're going to peel away the backing of your contact paper so that the sticky side is exposed. Lay it down on the table, not on the sticky side. And then you'll take your bookmarks and lay them down on the sticky side. You'll want to make sure that you're setting them really close to the edge, like this, because we'll want enough that we can fold it over all 4 of them. So I'll put my next one down next to my first one. My third one down next to the second one. And my 4th one in the space that is left. And as you can see, I made sure to leave half of the contact paper open because I'm going to fold it over so that both sides are covered. just like this. Now I'm going to press it down to hold all the flowers in place. You may have to work with it a little if some of your blossoms are big. Almost done. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out each individual bookmark so that I've got 4. If the contact paper is a little bit hard to cut, you may need to ask a grown-up for help, but don't get discouraged. Now I've got a bookmark separated out like this. And if you have a hole punch, this is the part where you can punch a hole in the top and tie one of your strings through like this to make a tassel. You only have to do that if you want to, though. You can also take your permanent marker and you could write your name. You could draw an outline around the flowers or draw a pattern. This is the fun part where you get to choose how to design your bookmark. Or you can leave it be if you think your flowers are pretty enough to stand on their own. Once you've got all 4 decorated, then you'll have a bunch of different bookmarks that you can keep for yourself or you can share with a friend. Now that your bookmark is all finished, it's time to find a book to use it with. And I have the perfect suggestion for you. Herbaria by Kelly Lafarge will keep you up to date on plant life as you continue to forage through the outdoors. This book will help you tell the difference between a bush and a shrub, show you how to preserve your findings, and help you find herbaria museums near you that you can visit. It will also tell you about Bobby Jones, a kid from St. Louis, Missouri, who discovered a new plant species while he was exploring outside. Doesn't that make you so excited about plants? If you agree, you should definitely check out Herbaria from the Children's Nonfiction Collection. For all the budding explorers and scientists tuning in, don't forget to sign up for virtual summer camps. We have some amazing options on our sign-up list, like circus science for ages 7 to 12, sock dragons and shadow puppets for ages 5 to 9, and slugs and ladybugs for ages 3 to 5. To see what other options we have or get signed up, head to the Kids and Teens page of slpl.org or go to your favorite library location and pick up a flyer and scan the QR code. And in the meantime, happy reading and happy crafting!